Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So I was going to do a Halloween set, but I think Halloween now has been rinsed. So many people are doing Halloween sets, so I'm not going to bother. So I thought I would have a play around with this Your Beauty 9D Galaxy Cat Eye Gel. This is in 001. Now if you can see there, it says GAT. So I'm sure it is a mistake. So I'm going to use that. I'll show you what it looks like. It's very beautiful. It's like it goes from green to a purple. So I wanted to use that. Firstly, I should have done it before, but I haven't. I'm going to use the Emily base coat with this Seriously Black from Urban Graffiti Neo. And I also have these pink to blue stars from Charlotte's Glitter Cabin. Does it say blue? Yeah, pink to blue, but there is green in there as well. So I want to use some of those, and I'm thinking to use this pink to blue shards as well. We shall see, but that is stunning. Oh my god. So I'm going to do the base coat first, then do 2 coats of the Urban Graffiti top coat, put this over the top, and then I will use my magnet on it, and then put some of the stars and maybe some of them shards. So from here on, let me zoom you in better. I am going to probably speed this up. I've given that 2 coats. Cured obviously both times. Look how stunning that colour is. It's bloody gorgeous. See, from here now I see green, and then from here I see like a purple. So right, I'm going to take my magnet. I'm thinking to do the circle. Let's see. Oh wow. Look at that. That is so pretty. Right, I'm going to pop it into the lamp. I can see a fuzz Bit of fuzz right in the middle of that. So yeah, I'm just going to cure this and I'll be back. Right, now that's cured, I want to do another layer. Instead of pushing the circle that way, I'm going to push it that way and see what effect I get. So let's see. So I've not played with this stuff before, and I don't know why. And I was going through my drawers earlier, and I thought, you know what? Let me pull out that cat eye gel and see what I can do. Okay, so I'm going to do it this way. I was holding my breath then. Shit, I touched it. Oop. Oops. Okay, that's looking kind of funky, but not what I wanted. And the good thing is, you probably hear everybody bloody say this, but the good thing about this, if you don't like it, you can always go back over it and start again. Shall I try this long one? No. I'm going to be sitting here for hours playing with this. Right, let's just go with the circle. I'll just do what I did earlier. I really like that. So I'm going to cure it and I will be back again. Okay, so now I'm going to put a base coat on so I can stick some of them, the stars on it. I love the effect of this, and I could quite easily sit here for hours and just play. I love it a lot. Right, let's stick some stars. Right, I think that is it. So I'm going to cure it. Probably put another base coat over the top. Cure that, top coat it, and then I will be back. Okay, so that is it. What do you think? Give me your honest opinion. I think, personally, I did a bit too many stars. Yeah. But I think it's kind of cute. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. It was a nice little experiment for me anyway. Anyway, I'm off. Thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to take good care of yourselves. And you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.